Hello, my friends. I'm having a cooking session here with cooking with lids. Yep, I've discovered lids. Woo! And I'll tell you, it puts you in a whole different realm. I like to use these big restaurant pots. And I'm telling you, a restaurant supply in any large town in America is a very, very good resource for good stainless steel pots, good lids, good utensils. This is my favorite little pot. See, it's got that heavy bottom on it. And boy, it's got that lid that fits pretty good, you know. And this lid will fit really good on this number 3 cast iron. See, look at that. Pretty tight, isn't it? Okay. Same thing with the number 5 skillet. And that's all we're going to be cooking with is the number 3 and the number 5. Now, I cook with olive oil pretty much exclusively. I don't like to mess around with, you know, different oils because it could make you sick. And, you know, we need to start taking care of ourselves. And cast iron and stainless steel is the way to go if you want to do healthy cooking. Now, if we take this egg and we drop it into this skillet that I just showed you and put this little lid on it, boom! Now, I have just sealed it. And you watch the magic. Now here is the hoe cake mix. I'm going to put some flour that I've mixed into a batter, and I'm going to spread it out real good. Put it into my skillet, then I'm going to put a lid on it. Bam! You know, lid cooking amps up the speed, and with the egg you don't have to turn it. You can adjust it. You have to keep watching it to see what stage it's at, but it will slowly cook, and this is a wonderful deal. Now see, already, boom! That's why I like my egg. Right there, it's done. It's like magic. I'm gonna put this baby over here. Right here. There we go. And now we're gonna turn it over here. And see, when you don't have a lid, when you don't have a lid on that, what it does is the top of the hoe cake stays slurpy. And when you turn it over, it just spreads everywhere. But you can adjust it. And you got to, you can take the lid off as many times as you want. It's not like rice. Oh, never take the lid off. No, take the lid off and look. Monitor it. You can dial it into perfection. And you talk about good eating. And it saves energy. You know, we Cajun chefs hate gas ovens. I mean electric ovens. Because what they do is we can't control the heat. In a gas oven, low, medium, high, instant. In an electric oven, you go high, then you're just kind of stuck at high. And you're going to end up with a lot of burnt food. So, you know, if you can have a gas oven, it is really the way to go. Because you can dial in your cooking and you save a lot of money. And your food is actually better tasting than me cooked on a gas oven. Because it doesn't reach that temperature where it's beyond cooking. But it will. Now, I take this baby and I put it right here. There you go. See your hoe cake? That's delicious eating. Then I take my egg. I put it right on top. And this is delicious eating. Yes, it is great. I'm telling you, lid cooking is the way to go. Don't forget, visit your restaurant supply. Go through there and get you some good pots, some good skillets. Now, some of these stainless steel skillets are really good too. But these Teflon, I would steer clear because they just don't last. They're 6 months and then that's it. So keep that in mind, folks. And God bless.